Hi, I'm Brittany, and I'm part of the stewardship team at Credit Valley Conservation. Today I'm going to show you one of the trees that I love and that birds and pollinators love too, and that's smooth serviceberry. It is also a great tree for fitting into small spaces, as it can be either grown as a tree or as a multi-stemmed shrub. Blooming in early spring, serviceberries are an important food source for pollinators before summer wildflowers appear. Its beautiful white blooms attract emerging queen bumblebees and other solitary bees. By June, their delicious red and purple berries attract cedar waxwings and other birds like robins. But don't forget to save some for yourselves. They make a sweet and juicy treat in the summer. Serviceberries are easy to grow and they'll thrive in most soils, in sun or shade. And when planting a serviceberry, avoid areas that may get stained by falling berries, such as your deck. And don't forget, trees are beautiful, add value to your property, and last for generations. And they provide a great snack that you can share with your favorite bird. So plant a tree today to help reduce the effects of climate change and to keep your neighborhood cool.